Traders, today is the 14th of November 2023. We had another beautiful long trade on pound dollar. As you have seen this morning, I banked around about $7,106. You will find the video link in the description. Let me share with you another trade. As mentioned here in 4 hour, we had a long trade this morning after this market nicely broke on this resistance and retest beautiful long trade here. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries. That's a pretty straightforward. As you have seen even previous, you can see here market nicely broken long here, and then we keep telling our trader after this impulsive market develop another correction. You can see here that's the correction, beautiful breakout. Based on that, that's what I bank amazing profit. And after banking some profit, as mentioned to my trader, we constantly monitoring the price. As explained, look for another pullback, which is pretty straightforward based on the price action. Look at the momentum was bullish. Beautiful, another pullback long trade here. As soon as the market hit to the previous high, as explained my trader, consider banking few pips or move your stop loss at the break even. So most welcome guys. Watch this analysis real time. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.